Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I speak a little, madam. Ma'am.
Okay, as long as you can communicate with your employer, there is no problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because uh, employers in Malaysia and abuse, ma'am.
No abuse. Can you help me introduce yourself?
My name is Mary Angel Arde. I'm 26 years old, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more
I'm a
details from you. Are
single,
you single? Single or married?
single within live-in partner, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 5, 1999, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 2 and my weight is 57.
What is your religion?
Christian, madam.
What is your educational background?
High graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
Two, madam. Two
How
son, madam.
Okay, how old are those children?
9 years old and 7 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so is this your first time working abroad?
No, madam. I have 1 year experience in Saudi, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later?
My partner, ma'am.
How old is your partner and what is his occupation?
He's a farmer, ma'am.
Okay, how old is he?
43, ma'am.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So we don't have problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to your profile, you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2019 to 2020 as a housemaid. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Isabela, ma'am.
How
Province
many,
of Isabela, ma'am.
what year did you started and what year did you finish?
Start work in abroad, ma'am.
No, in Isabela.
In Isabela, ma'am. I am start to work 2019, ma'am.
Until 2020, is it? You work for 1 year or how many months?
1 year, ma'am.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there in Isabela?
Is housemaid, ma'am, and taking care of bedridden, ma'am.
How old is the bedridden that you take care? Is it female or male?
Female, ma'am.
How old is she?
81, ma'am.
Okay. While taking care of this elderly, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 2020, you work in KSA. October 2024 to November 2024. Why you, This one, how many, 1 month only?
Just 1 year, ma'am. I work in 2023, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
October 7, 23, and I will go back here in Philippines November 20, 21, November 21, 2024, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue? Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because it's a physical abuse, ma'am.
Physical abuse. In what way? Why the employer do the physical abuse? What they did?
Eh, I don't know, ma'am, because of the children, ma'am.
Okay, so they hit you?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of hit? Is it they slap you or what?
She hurt ironing, ma'am.
Oh, do like this
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you with the iron.
Yes, ma'am. She
Oh,
used iron to my face, and I will handle like that, ma'am. Is she?
oh, so
The
the iron is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Iron.
So you are the one terminate your contract, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there?
My job responsibilities taking care of children, and also cleaning and washing clothes for the children.
Okay, you do the cooking and laundry also?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children? How many children?
Three, ma'am. Three children, ma'am.
How old?
I come in KSA 7 months and 3 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you because you already got working experience in Middle East, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is very big, there is no joke, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Taking care of this, I will do my best, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, So, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for
Yes,
the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside
yes,
the
ma'am.
employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, it's okay. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the employer. We need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I handle, ma'am. I handle to homesickness, ma'am. because I need the money and for my children, ma. I'm being the strong, ma.
Okay,
I'm
I
being
think that's
strong.
all. Okay, I think that's all for now, Angel. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you
ma.
so much and have a good day. Bye.